Welcome to Plyco's cut to size and edging request form. Getting your plywood sheets cut to the perfect size couldn't be simpler. Whether you need a handful of custom cuts, a high volume of specialty sizes, or some bespoke edging, this form makes it easy to access a wide range of our services. Start by entering your personal details, name, address, and contact number so we can prepare an accurate quote and delivery cost for you. Next, add the products you want. You've got two ways to specify finished panel sizes and edging. The first and easiest method is to fill in the form fields. Just enter length, width, material, including thickness, and quantity. For edging, choose from veneered ABS or a 45-degree miter cut on any edge. If you leave these blank, the panel will be unedged by default. Adding a name for each part, like door panel or shelf, plus any notes helps us get your quote just right. Need to add more items? Simply click the grey plus button to create another row. And if you want, you can check out our latest price list via the handy link in this section. The second method is for experienced users or large orders, uploading a spreadsheet. Choosing this will open a CSV upload section. You'll find download links for the required template with helpful instructions and an example CSV file. Please ensure your file matches the format to avoid delays. After listing your panels, you can optionally upload any supporting files or add comments. Including drawings or designs can help us provide a more accurate and quicker quote. Finally, save time later by selecting your preferred fulfillment method and delivery address. You can also choose whether you want leftover material returned and sign up to receive future discounts and updates. Once you're happy with everything, just submit your request. If you've missed any required fields, the form will let you know. After submitting, you'll get confirmation that we've received your details, which will go straight to our plywood experts. We'll review your request and get back to you with a quote within 3 business days. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out via our contact page. Thanks for choosing Plyco. Best of luck with your next project.